Accused is sentenced to 10 years imprisonment, of which 3 years imprisonment is suspended for 5 years on condition.
uPhilip Truter ungowokuqala ugwetshwa ecaleni elithinta ibhange eVBS ngemva kokuvuma amacala okukhwabanisa inkohlakalo kanye nokushushumbisa imali ngokungemthetho. Uvele yedwa enkantolo njengoba kusazoqulwa icala labanye abasolwa ababhekene namacala afanayo. uTruter nowayeyisikhulu sezemali ebhangeni eVBS wathalalisa ngesikhathi kuqhubeka ukutatshwa kwemali kuleli bhange waphinde wakhokhelwa isamba seyigidi eyinhlanu zamarandi. Lesigameko sokwebiwa kwemali sakhahlameza abantu abantulayo njengoba iningi labo lalitshele imali kulo leli bhange. Inkantolo itshelwe ukuthi uTruter usephenduke ufakazi wombuso kanti iNPA isinxenxe labo ababandakanyekayo ezigamekweni zobugebengu ezifuzelesi ukuba benze okufanayo.
The state and investigators are never there when these schemes take place. So every time you get someone from inside who's willing to testify on behalf of the state, it advances the state's case, it makes it much stronger. And therefore, when they appear tomorrow, one of them will be now assisting the state in order for them to be convicted.
Ungwema uthi uphenyo lusaqhubeka kanti bakhona abanye abasazoboshwa kanti iNPA ithi sikulungele ukuqulwa kwaleli cala. Ithimba lwamaHawks lithi lithemba ukuthi ukugwetshwa kukaTruter kuzovuselela ukwethembeka kwalo emphakathini.
Most of the cases have been completed, but we're just waiting for them to actually indicate when we can take suspects to court. So people must not lose hope. We have said that we must never lose hope. We have been working very closely with everybody concerned, and I'm sure that what they have witnessed recently is something that they should be getting used to.
Abanye abasolwa abayisikhombisa bona bazovela kusasa kuyo lenkantolo bezothola usuku lokuqala kwecala labo.